So this is our circuit, and right here we have 8 volts entering the circuit, which is connecting over to the microphone right here, which is used to listen for the sound. We have that signal being amplified by this op amp, and the feedback resistor of the op amp is right here, and that has a value of 1 mega ohm. These 2 capacitors right here are used to cut out the noise of the signal. And over here we have a load resistor, which is what we're measuring across with the lab jack, which is what these 2 wires are going to. And this is our ground. Okay. Here's the LabVIEW code, and we're going to start it right now. And graph. And this is our graph. It's still taking data, but you can still see these 4 notes, which are the 4 notes we played. And once it's going above 0.35 is what it's listening for. And when it hears that, it moves on to the next note. So now we're going to run the program again, but we've turned the volume on the keyboard way down, so as you can see, it won't move on to the next note this time. Until you yell at it. Go! Yeah. Okay.